Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I'm going to talk to you about what are the best hacks that you can have in hyperspace to use on a basis when you're going to play the game and you want to get better. So let's start. The armor is completely useless and I wouldn't use it at all. Ball, it's good for escape, or you can, when you are in a zone that you want to go away fast from it, or you need to be in defensive, but there are much better defenses comparing to ball. So ball is alright. Now heal, again, wouldn't use it in solo. In a squad is alright. Invisibility is on the same level comparing to me on a ball. If you want to like escape from a fight, and even if you have it like upgraded, invisibility it's much better. Magnet, it's not good at all in my opinion, not useful. Mine also not useful at all. Reveal, again not useful, wouldn't use it. Shockwave, all right, but still comparing to ball and invisibility, worse. Slam, this is good for escape and I would put it on invisibility level. Teleport, this is one of the top ones in my opinion, that you can like get fast, you can escape, you can fly to the top. Wall, again, I wouldn't use it. But also there is this double jump that you can have, like increase your jump, and it's much better. So yeah, thank you very much everybody, and goodbye.